A very good morning, my dear students. So, in this session, we are going to discuss the topic the MO diagram of nitrogen and oxygen molecule and their bond order. First, we discuss the molecular orbital energy level diagram of nitrogen. So, why do you need this MO diagram, molecular orbital diagram? When the N2 molecule, nitrogen molecule, is forming, two atoms are involved. The two atoms are nitrogen, by which the number of bonds are forming. So the bond order is nothing but number of bonds between two nitrogen. So we have known very well, between two nitrogen, three bonds are forming. By the MO diagram, we can get a proof of how many bonds are forming between two nitrogen. So before we write the MO diagram of nitrogen molecule, the first step we should know that what is the atomic number of nitrogen? What is the atomic number of nitrogen? So we have known very well the atomic number of nitrogen is 7. So according to the atomic number, the first we should write the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. The 2p3 orbitals 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1, right? So next step, the atomic orbital, the electrons in the orbital, after filling the electron in the orbital, how can we write it? So 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, we can write like this. The left hand side I have given the one nitrogen atom's atomic orbital, right? Here the 1s2 orbital is not required, is for bonding. It is involved in the bonding but is not required in the bond order, right? So first left side, the one nitrogen atomic orbital starts from 2s to 2p. We can write it 2s to 2p3. Likewise, right side, another nitrogen atomic orbital filled with the electron. The outermost outer orbit alone 2s to 2p3. So the two nitrogens atomic orbital we have given. Now the two atomic orbitals of two nitrogens are going to make a molecular orbital. Molecular orbital. So the molecular orbitals are formed by combination of atomic orbital of equal energy, right? Okay. So number of molecular orbital formed is equal to the number of atomic orbital undergoing combination. Here 2s, the both 2s are going to combine to give 2 molecular orbital. Likewise, one is bonding molecular orbital. It has lower energy level, that is called sigma 2s. Another one is antibonding molecular orbital, sigma star 2s. So likewise, both 2p orbital electrons in nitrogen atoms are combining. Likewise, so below that we can find it bonding molecular orbital, and the top antibonding molecular orbital. The bonding molecular orbital, the lowest energy level bonding molecular orbital, are represented by sigma pi del, and the antibonding molecular orbital are represented by sigma star, pi star, and del star, right? So now the MO diagram of nitrogen molecule is over. The molecular orbital energy level diagram for diatomic homonuclear molecules of first and second period except oxygen and fluorine. This kind of MO diagram we have to draw, right? I repeat it. The MO diagram for diatomic homonuclear molecules of first and second period in the periodic table elements except oxygen and fluorine, we have to make this kind of MO diagram. Thereafter, at the top I have given the energy level of nitrogen. From bottom to top, how to write it? The molecular orbital we see at the middle, sigma 2s is less than sigma star 2s is less than pi 2px equal to pi 2py. Here the pi orbital you can get from 2p, both 2p atomic orbital, both are equal, right? Then next, the pi 2py is less than sigma 2pz. Then sigma 2pz less than pi star 2p star equal to pi star 2py less than sigma star 2pz. So which one and all equal, we have to see. Pi 2px equal to pi 2py, then pi star 2px equal to pi star 2py. Let us see the bond order of nitrogen molecule. So bond order means number of bonds between two nitrogen. One formula we have used, Nb minus Na by 2. Nb means number of electron in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electron present in antibonding molecular orbital. So the bonding means lowest energy of molecular orbital, sigma 2s 2 electron and pi 2px, then pi 2py and sigma 2pz. So total number of electron 8, 2 plus 6 8. Then antibonding, sigma star 2s alone 2 electron. So 8 minus 2 divided by 2 equal to 3. Let us move to the MO diagram of oxygen. So oxygen electronic configuration according to the atomic number 8, the electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p4. The first energy level of one oxygen atom left side, the 2s2 2p4 alone you write it. So 1s2 is not required for calculating bond order. So 2s2 2p4. So right side another oxygen atom 2s2 2p4, right? Now we have given the electrons filled in atomic orbital, both oxygens, right? Now the two oxygens are going to combine to give molecular orbital. So molecular orbital is mentioned at the middle, right? So 2s 2 electron and another 2s 2 electrons are going to combine. It gives sigma 2s lowest molecular orbital, that is a bonding molecular orbital, and the highest molecular orbital called as a antibonding, sigma star 2s 2 electron. Now the 2p atomic orbital and another oxygen 2p atomic orbital going to combine. So 3 totally 6 orbitals. 3 is down and remaining 3s are up. The down lowest molecular orbital, bonding molecular orbital, first we have to fill it. So Hund's rule we have to follow it, right? So total number of electron in the 2p orbital, left side and right side, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 electrons. So at the bottom, sigma 2pz and pi 2px and pi 2py, 6 electron we can accommodate. So remaining the 2 electron moves to the antibonding, right? So pi star 2px 1 electron, pi star 2py 1 electron. So according to the Hund's rule, first we have to add 1 electron, thereafter we have to make it pair. If we have the electron means we make it pair, right? So the MO diagram is over for oxygen molecule. Now we can calculate the bond order between two oxygen, how many bonds are forming. By the calculation of bond order we can get it. So what's the formula? Nb minus Na by 2. Nb means number of electrons in the bonding molecular orbital minus number of electron in the antibonding molecular orbital divided by 2. So the bonding 2s 2 electron, sigma 2p z 2 electron, pi 2px 2 electron, pi 2py 2 electron. So totally 8 electron. The antibonding sigma star 2s 2 electron, pi star 2px 1 electron, pi star 2py 1 electron. So totally 4 electron. So 8 minus 4 by 2 equal to 2, right? So this molecular orbital energy level diagram for homonuclear diatomic molecules of oxygen and other heavier elements, right? So one small difference we can find between the nitrogen molecule MO diagram and oxygen molecule MO diagram. So what is the difference? Here the sigma 2p z orbital in oxygen molecular orbital is down, but the same sigma 2p z orbital in the nitrogen molecule is up, right? So according to the energy level of nitrogen and oxygen, we can make a MO diagram. Thank you.